Hi friends, how are you? 'Tis the season, story readers, for holiday-themed books. Let's start today with Ninjabread Man by C.J. Leigh and pictures by Chris Gall. Once upon a time, there was a little old sensei who taught ninjas in a hidden dojo. The group trained hard to be the strongest, fastest, smartest, and sneakiest ninjas in all the land. Sensei was very proud. So proud that one night he made them a special treat: ninja bread. Ninja bread was an age-old recipe passed down from sensei to sensei. It took a lifetime to master. Once baked, the cookies contained many mysterious powers. They were also dangerously delicious. Sensei mixed the batter, rolled the dough, and shaped the ninja bread into a tiny sword and throwing stars. Then Sensei crafted a Ninjabread Man. Once done, he carefully placed the tray in the oven. Finally, as Sensei opened the oven door to check on the ninja bread, kapow! Out leaped the Ninjabread Man, alive and kicking. Sensei was surprised to hear the cookies speak. The time has come to test your students. Now they must try as best as they can. They can't beat me, I'm the Ninjabread Man. With a crack and a flash, the Ninjabread Man disappeared in a cloud of sugar dust. Sensei sounded the gong as a warning to his ninjas. Tonight they faced the greatest challenge of their lives. Ninja Bear was balancing on one finger when he heard the warning gong ring. Suddenly, a sweet scent filled the night air. Danger was near. With a crack and a flash, the cookie figure stood before him and announced, try as best as you can. You can't beat me, I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night, and I'll defeat you too, I can. Ninjabread Man, shouted Ninja Bear, you will make a mighty morsel. With a running roar, Ninja Bear charged, but the Ninjabread Man jumped out of the way, and Ninja Bear lost his balance. Then, with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Bear. But the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Snake was throwing stars in the forest when she sensed the sensei's warning. The bamboo swayed in the wind. Danger was near. Suddenly, a cookie figure stood before her and announced, try as best as you can. You can't beat me, I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight, and I'll defeat you too, I can. Ninjabread Man, hissed Ninja Snake. You will make a super snack. With a flick swish, Ninja Snake launched her throwing stars, but the Ninjabread Man was too fast. He launched a cookie star ninja attack of his own. Then, with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Snake, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Mouse was training with his sword when he heard the warning gong ring. Ninja Mouse heard someone tiptoeing around. Danger was near. In the blink of an eye, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, try as best as you can. You can't beat me, I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake in a throwing star fight, and I'll defeat you too, I can. Ninjabread Man, squeaked Ninja Mouse, you will make a nice nibble. Ninja Mouse sprang forward, but the Ninjabread Man tricked the mighty mouse. Then, with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Mouse, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Fox was sitting beside the great waterfall. He did not hear the sensei's warning. Ninja Fox hummed. I smell something dangerously delicious. With a crack and a flash, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, try as best as you can. You can't beat me, I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake and made Ninja Mouse ache. And I'll outfox you too, I can. I'm sorry, said Ninja Fox. I didn't hear you. What did you say? The Ninjabread Man stepped closer and repeated, try as best as you can. You can't beat me, I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake and made Ninja Mouse ache. And I'll outfox you too, I can. I'm so sorry, said Ninja Fox, pretending he could not hear the cookie. The waterfall is so loud. What did you say? The Ninjabread Man took one final step closer. Following one quick movement, a cloud of sugar dust surrounded Ninja Fox. Ninja Bear, Ninja Snake, and Ninja Mouse came running out of the forest to find Ninja Fox. Was the Ninjabread Man gone? Far away, in another hidden dojo, a little old sensei worked under the mystical moon, mixing, rolling, and shaping a Ninjabread Man. The end. Kind of a fun spin on one of our favorite stories, if I don't say so myself. Even Kiva likes it a lot. Not Kiva the cat. Bye, story readers.